In today's digital world, ensuring that websites and applications are accessible to everyone is a must for businesses. Accessibility testing plays a critical role in helping businesses reach a wider audience by making sure their digital platforms are usable by individuals with diverse abilities. Driven by these insights, we at Lambda Test have developed a new accessibility toolkit called Accessibility DevTools Chrome extension. Powered by Axe Core, this Chrome extension is designed to identify and resolve web accessibility issues directly in your browser, simplifying the challenge of ensuring equal access to web content for every user, regardless of ability. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, log into your Lambda Test dashboard. From the left sidebar, select Accessibility and click on Manual Reports. Now click on the Download plugin and you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, from where you can download and install the Accessibility DevTools extension. After installing, head to your preferred web page and open the Inspect element and head to the Accessibility DevTools tab. Now log into your Lambda Test account by clicking the Login button. The Accessibility DevTools Chrome extension offers two types of page scans for you to choose from based on your requirement: single-page and multi-page scans. Let's go through them one by one. Under Single Page, the Full Page Scan feature ensures no aspect of your web page goes unchecked, guaranteeing a fully accessible user experience. With Partial Page Scan, you can focus your testing on specific parts of a web page with the ability to conduct accessibility scans on selected elements. The Workflow Scan allows you to manually start and stop the scan to test the workflows, ensuring a seamless user experience. And the Multiple Page Scan lets you add multiple URLs and perform simultaneous scans. It ensures uniform accessibility compliance across multiple web pages with automated scans. For this video, let us perform the full page scan. Simply click on it and the scan for accessibility issues will begin. Here, you will be presented with the number of accessibility issues found and their entire list with their severity status and the 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐻 version. Click Open any particular issue and you can see the element details and the solution to fix that particular issue. To view an in-depth report of your accessibility scan run, you can click on the Dashboard button from the home screen of the extension or simply head to your accessibility dashboard on the Lambda Test platform. From your accessibility dashboard, you can share, download, or even mark a bug in your recently run accessibility scan. You can also filter your scans on the basis of scan type, 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐻 version, and more. Select your recent scan and you will be presented with an issue summary. Here you can also get the issues breakdown on the basis of severity, pages, 𝐁𝐞𝐧𝐬 guidelines, and elements. In the All Issues tab, you will get the list of issues that we saw earlier, allowing you to take a deep dive with solutions. And there you have it. With the Accessibility DevTools Chrome extension, you can reduce compliance risks, expand your audience, and strengthen your brand's commitment to inclusivity.